Assalamualaikum, man. I'm Razel Alfikri, and this is my Rising. Translation process using Macaulay 2000 method. Introduction. Translation is the process of rendering written or spoken language from one language to another while preserving the meaning and tone of the original text. Translation has been a key tool in facilitating communication between different languages and cultures. With the growth of globalization, there has been a surge in the demand for translation service. The translation process can be complex and challenging, and various methods have been developed to make it more efficient and effective. This paper will discuss the Macaulay 2000 method of translation. What, what is the Macaulay 2000 method? The Macaulay 2000 method of translation is a structured approach to the translation process that emphasizes the use of technology and the application of linguistic and cultural knowledge. The method was developed by Dr. Ali Al-Makali, a prominent translator and linguist. The Makali 2000 method is based on a set of principles that are designed to ensure accuracy, consistency, and efficiency in the translation process. The principles of the Macaulay 2000 method include the following: use of technology. The Macaulay 2000 method emphasizes the use of technology in the translation process. This includes the use of translation software, text editors, and other tools that can help to automate the translation process and improve efficiency. Linguistic and cultural knowledge. The Macaulay 2000 method emphasized the importance of linguistic and cultural knowledge in the translation process. Translators, mu- translators must have a deep understanding of the source and target language, as well as the cultural context in which the text is written. Consistency. The Macaulay 2000 method emphasizes the importance of consistency in the translation process. Translators must ensure that the terminology and style used in the translation are consistent with the original text. Accuracy. The Macaulay 2000 method emphasizes the importance of accuracy in the translation process. Translators must ensure that The meaning and tone of the original text are preserved, preserved in the translation. Efficiency. The Macaulay 2000 method emphasizes the importance of efficiency in the translation process. Translators must be able to work quickly and effectively to meet deadlines and produce high quality translation. The Macaulay 2000 method is a comprehensive approach to the translation process that combines linguistic and cultural knowledge with the use of technology and a focus on accuracy, consistency, and efficiency. Steps in the Macaulay 2000 method. The Macaulay 2000 method consists of several steps that are designed to ensure that the translation process is efficient and effective. These steps include the following: 1. Preparation. The first step in the Macaulay 2000 method is preparation. This involves analyzing the source text to determine the linguistic and cultural context in which it was written. Translators must also identify any special terminology or jargon that might be used in the text. 2. Translation. The second step in Macaulay 2000 method is translation. Translators must use their linguistic and cultural knowledge to render the short text into the target language will while preserving the meaning and tone of the original text. This step may also involve the use of translation software and other tools to improve efficiency. 3. Review. The third step in the Macaulay 2000 method is review. Translators must carefully review the translation to ensure that it is accurate, consistent, and reflects the meaning and tone of the original text. This step may also involve the use of proofreading tools to identify any errors or inconsistencies in the translation. 4. Editing. The fourth step in the Macaulay 2000 method is editing. Translators must make any necessary change to the translation to improve its accuracy, consistency, and readability. This step may also involve the use of style guides and other tools to ensure that the okay conclusion. The Macaulay 2000 method of translation is a structured approach to the translation process that emphasizes the use of technology and the application of linguistic and cultural knowledge. It is based on a set of principles that are designed to ensure accuracy, consistency, and efficiency in the translation process. These principles include use of technology, linguistic, and cultural knowledge, consistency, accuracy, efficiency, and steps in the process. The Macaulay 2000 method consists of several steps to ensure that the translation process is efficient and effective. These steps include preparation, 2. Translation, 3. Review, and 4. Or less or less editing. Preparation involves analyzing the source text. Translation involves rendering a source text into the target language, and review involves rendering the source text into the target language, and review involves reviewing the translation. Editing involves making any necessary change to the translation to improve its accuracy, to consistency, and pre or last readability. Okay, ma'am. That's all from me, ma'am. I'm Razel Alfikri, and that's all is summarizing from me, ma'am. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.